Today we have up to 8 airdrops to go and check and claim, so make sure you go and do it before you leave for the holidays because you could forget it. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first, Sonic Lab, 49 million Sonic token. Let me know if you received all of this in the comments below. Have already been distributed via the Sonic point system. So if you are a Sonic user, you will go and have it in your wallet. Now this does not include everybody who bridged by simply, for example, Jumper or Ouelto or any of those. These are not include that. So if you did go and participate, make sure to go and check it. As we see here, the Sonic Point were earned by users holding and using whitelisted assets across the app on Sonic, which means no swap nor bridge have been counted. And so let me know if you did receive it down in the comments below. I will also leave you this page right here from Sonic Lab itself, which it is basically the soniclab.com funding page and everything that you need to know in terms of whether or not you have gone and received it. Next up, we have the Plum Network. Make sure to go and check it down below. There is, as we see, this one right here, so I'm not eligible. Make sure to go and check it down below. Next up, I did go and grab yourself a nice bonus for all of you. So one with Coinfare, as we see right here, you are able to go and get yourself, if you deposit 50 or $51, you earn up to 100 USDT on future bonus, which means you simply deposit 50, $51, $60, anything above $50, you get 100 free dollars to go and trade on your futures, which now is a great time to go and trade, and we will open a trade later together. But go and deposit, the link will be down below. Go through the link, deposit $50 or more, and you get $100 USDT. After this done this, you can go and trade, and I got you a second one, so double free money for you over on ZoomX as well. Exclusive 50% cashback. You deposit $100 here, you get 50% bonus up to, I believe it is 1,000. So you get 50% of what you deposit up to $1,000. So go and get yourself this too easy money making method. Deposit $50 over here, go and trade then with 100, and then you have all the activation. As you see here, the more you trade, 30, 150, 750,000, you get other free money. And then you go and do this, you go and do the same on ZoomX, and there we go. You got yourself $150 for free or more, up to you. Next up, we're gonna go and talk about the Optimism Airdrop, which we see right here. This is the super stack reward. Let me know in the comments if you are eligible for this one right here. I am personally not eligible for this one. Now, Optimism, once again, these super stack rewards are not for people that go and swap and bridge simple, kind of like what Jumper or Ouelto or Bungie or any of those bridging protocols are. This is not that simple. Here you have to go and utilize their program, the super stack program, which is this one right here, which you could be entitled or you could be eligible for. So make sure to go and check it. But it is not a simple bridge. This is not a bridge airdrop transaction. Next up, we have the Aster. You can deposit to earn Euro plus AU points if you go and connect your wallet right here, which we do have also the Binance wallet, the MetaMask wallet, the Phantom wallet, whatever you want. We can go and connect the MetaMask wallet right here, for example, and we are able to go and see whether or not you are eligible for it. You got the rewards airdrop right here. I will leave the link down below. You can sign the message, you can send the request. And as you see here, I've got 0. So if you are eligible for it, never participate in it, I will leave the link down below. Make sure to go and check it out and inform yourself, if you haven't done it, that you could be eligible for the season 2 if you like it. Next up, we have the Gaia Foundation airdrop. Has been live and I'm not eligible for this one. Don't laugh at me. This airdrop here, I have not participated in. I'm focusing on other airdrops. Airdrops, there are a lot. And I do get your point in the comments. Oh, you talk about airdrop, but you're not eligible for it. There's so many airdrops that you need to have something like probably $100,000. I would say if you go and put like 5,000 everywhere, you need to risk your money. I decide to go for other airdrops. These are all the airdrops that you get on your Twitter feed that I don't know about, somebody else knows about, but then I might know about the Kinsa Finance airdrop on Binance that other people don't know about. So it is a continuous research. You really need to go, and if you want to participate in all of them, you really need to go and put a lot of money into it. For this one, I have not participated, and as we see here, Gaia is another one. I try to go and stay with the major one, the one that are more safe, the one that have like Jumper, the one like Ouelto or Bungie or Stargate, Arbitrium, Jupiter, the Solana one as well, really, really good. But this is a vast universe of airdrops that you can go and check. Next up, we have the Yala airdrop season 1 right here, which not eligible for it. This is on a Solana ecosystem. This was on Solana, so let me know if you're eligible down below. We then have the Trust.ai airdrop, and now this one we were a bit late, but you could have been eligible for it, so let me know your comment down below. Here you basically had to be an eTrust participant, which we were, but a little bit too late, because eTrust is everything, for example, like Linea and those network that allows you to go and check whether or not you have a, how can we say it, you have a score to prove that you're human. It's this kind of airdrop, so let me know down in the comments below. And last but not least, we have the ICA airdrop right here, which it is not eligible for it, but once again, it is on Solana and you could have participated on it or not. Another airdrop that I want to talk about, but we are not either checking or claiming because it is not live yet, is Ouelto. Ouelto is still running a point system, so you're still eligible to go and grab yourself the Ouelto airdrop and scale through the leaderboard. You simply have also the daily check-in, as we see right here. All you gotta do is check in. If there is any breach, you get also double the points by simply checking in. And checking in, as we see here, it costs less than a cent, so go and do it. It is one way to potentially have an airdrop allocation as well while you check in. For the rest, make sure to go and do your swaps, make sure to go and do your breaches, make sure to go and do your duties, and you are good to go. Earn that airdrop because Ouelto is coming soon. I do believe it's coming in this year. Hopefully, I would say before the end of the summer, but it definitely is coming on 2025. You can mark my words for that. Next up, I want to talk about Invariant. Now, Invariant is doing great. The Invariant has finished their pre-sale, has ended the Invariant token pre-sale of the INVT or Invariant token, has raised $237,000, which it is absolutely great to go and see. As we see here, I'm going on with the content points. I'm still farming it. I am a rank 14, 20.5 million points, not dollar, I wish. 20 million points right here, and you can still farm it. And I just took out the money right now, but you can add your liquidity on Ethereum and ES token, USDC ES token. You have nice APYs on all of them, or simply the Ethereum and TETH Ethereum as well. And also over here, you have all the other ones, which this umbrella allows you to go and grab your money in. But you're still in time. I believe it is running the creator campaign. They put an end to, like, for example, me making video and collecting these points for the creator points, which is basically their Kaito, Yapper, or whatever, that is way better done this way. It ends at the end of the month, which means the airdrop is also going to happen after the pre-sale, which has ended. So if you are part of it, if you are part of the Clips ecosystem, expect the airdrop to be relatively soon. I do have high hopes. I don't think we're going to be pushing it after the summer. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you all later. Ciao, guys.